Meet Arjun, a determined student who dreams of becoming a renowned lawyer. But his journey isn't smooth. Overwhelmed by the endless syllabus of the Punjab University Law Entrance exam, he wonders if his dream is even within reach. Arjun begins his preparation alone, diving into subjects like legal aptitude, general knowledge, logical reasoning, and language proficiency. Yet he finds himself drowning in distractions and cluttered notes. Have you ever felt lost in a sea of information, unsure where to begin, realizing that studying in isolation isn't enough? Arjun decides he needs expert guidance. He embarks on a journey, visiting several coaching centers for PU law entrance preparation. Some centers are overcrowded and impersonal, others offer outdated materials. Each visit leaves him more confused and uncertain. Can you imagine searching for the perfect mentor amidst so many options, just when hope seems to fade? Arjun discovers something special, a coaching institute that stands out from the rest, Surya Law Academy. He finds expert mentors who break down complex legal concepts with clarity, receives up-to-date study materials tailored to the exam, and takes regular mock tests that steadily build his confidence. His chaotic study routine transforms into a structured plan. Have you ever experienced that turning point when everything begins to fall into place? With renewed determination, Arjun follows a disciplined study routine. He reads daily legal news, practices mock tests, and revises vital concepts diligently. He learns time management techniques that turn stress into productivity. His transformation is like a caterpillar evolving into a butterfly each day. His confidence blossoms as he prepares for the big day. Then exam day arrives. Arjun walks into the examination hall calm and focused, taking a deep breath. He sits down and channels all his hard work into every question. This is his moment of truth, and then the moment of joy. Arjun checks his exam results online and his eyes widen in delight as he reads. Congratulations, you passed. In that instant, every late night, every moment of self-doubt, every challenge faced has led him to this triumph. Can you feel the rush of accomplishment? Arjun's journey reminds us that success isn't handed to you, it's earned by transforming challenges into stepping stones toward your dreams. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or doubted your path, remember Arjun's story. With the right guidance and a structured plan, you too can overcome the odds. Do you want to turn your struggles into success? What is holding you back from achieving your dreams? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready to take the first step towards a brighter future, subscribe to our channel for more expert exam tips, study strategies, and inspiring coaching insights. Thanks for joining us on Arjun's journey, and best of luck on your path to success.